Hello viewers, welcome to my channel A Handful of Learning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to narrate an inspirational story about self-confidence and bravery. It is entitled as The Merchant and His 12 Assistants. Self-confidence is the first step to success. Those people who have self-confidence at work, school, and in their life always appear on top of the world. Self-confident people believe in themselves and rely on their abilities just like the merchant in this story. Self-confidence is to believe in oneself. Self-confident people present themselves as calm, collected, and successful in everything they do. So, start believing in yourself, act on that belief, and you will start building self-confidence in your life. Once there was a merchant. He used to sell grains. He would go from village to village to buy grains. Then he would sell the grains in the city. One day he was going to the nearby village to buy the grains. He had to pass through a dense forest. While he was walking slowly, 4 thieves popped out of nowhere. They threatened him, "Give us all that you have, else you will not be able to get out of here alive." The merchant thought, "If I am not brave now, I shall not be able to leave the forest alive." So he roared loudly like a lion. "What do you think? I am not alone. I am traveling with 12 more assistants." Saying this, he took his bags and started to hit the thieves one by one. When one of the thieves was hit on the head, he fell down and blood oozed out of his forehead. Seeing their friend injured, the other thieves ran away. The merchant shouted, "You came to steal my things. Where are you all running, cowards?" Then he brushed his clothes and continued his journey. He finished his work in the other village and returned back to his home at night. He told his wife and daughter about the incident that had happened with him in the forest. His wife praised him for his braveness, and his daughter asked him, "Father, where are your 12 assistants?" "Oh, they are still with me right now," said the merchant. He then continued, "My 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and 4 metallic weights in my bag make 10. The remaining 2 strong assistants are my bravery and my self-confidence. Without these 2 strong assistants, the other 10 are useless. My dear child, I could easily surrender to the thieves, but I was confident that if I show courage, then I can save my life. So that is just what I did." So the story is finished here. And the lesson of the story which I am going to tell you is this. A self-confident person believes in his qualities, abilities, and judgment. He is self-aware and has a good opinion about himself. He knows his strengths and uses his abilities to get out of difficult situations. Have faith and confidence in yourself, believe in your abilities and your worth. So, this was the inspirational story I was narrating. Hope you liked it and got inspired. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. See you again in the next video.